Today we are going to look at this new online ECAD tool, the pcb.io, which you can use to draw schematics of your circuit and then you can design your PCB layout. First you have to go to pcb.io website and sign up for an account, then log into your account. Then go to Workbench, then New Design File. This will open a new schematic design file where you can use to draw your circuit diagram. Let me show you a simple circuit design example. This circuit is a simple AC light dimmer. To place circuit component symbols, go to Place Symbol, then you can start searching for the components you want using the Parts search. Once you have found your component, click Place button to place the component on the schematic. However, if you can't find the part you are looking for, you can request pcb.io to build the symbol and PCB footprint for you by clicking the modal application. After you finish drawing the schematic of your circuit, you can click Update PCB button to create the PCB of your circuit. Then you can start designing your PCB layout. As you can see, pcb.io also provide the function to see your design in 3D view as well. When you have finished your PCB layout design, you can download the Gerber files to fabricate your PCB. You can upload these Gerber files to pcb.io to get your PCBs fabricated. Remember, they also provide PCB assembly services as well. After you have downloaded the Gerber files of your project, you can go to Workbench and click Import Gerber Files button and upload your files to the pcb.io, then click Establish Project. Then you can review your final design here. They have also introduced this cool function called 3D multi-layer visualization. After you have reviewed your board, you can click Shopping Cart button and order your PCBs from pcb.io.